Merry Christmas, children.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, look, I took a tablet.
Mike, can we open a present stuff?
Go look.
Toy Pirate Legos! Well, look at that. A gun and a sword.
Oh my
And a
goodness.
magnifying glass and jewels.
What does the Lego pirate say?
Arr!
Arr.
That's right.
Alright.
Mike, look.
Go look, baby.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Just
Audra. I think this one's Audra's, baby.
Yep.
look at this one baby bottle. Bella. Look at this Legos. Legos. More Legos.
More Legos.
And look at this. Spider-Man toothbrush. My look, Spider-Man toothbrushes.
Yeah.
And a candy can, just like I always wanted.
Big one.
Yeah, with red and white.
Coffee.
Coffee.
But it's a kitty.
Kitty. Her name is Hello Kitty.
Look. Tools.
Look, Mommy.
What is that?
Cookie.
But what is it?
I don't know.
That looks like a wallet.
A wallet.
You got your own wallet.
I got my own wallet.
Well, let's put your money in it.
Yeah. Let me see what else I got. In mine. Oh, look at these. Look at these, Mike.
What is it?
I don't know. Clearly. Bunny.
Laser finger beads.
A bunny. That's Hello Kitty.
I think you put them on your fingers in there. Your lasers.
Hey, baby, Merry Christmas.
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 This is so cool. I love the last one.
Oh, kiddo.
I got ninja.
That's a jump rope, baby.
It looks like a jump rope, kiddo. Hey, oh, look, where are the cookies?
They're gone.
They are gone, and so is the milk. Oopsie.
I got jump rope. Let me see what else I got. Huh? I hear something. Look. Kids.
Is that gum?
Yummy, baby. What'd you get?
That is gum.
Is carrot?
Gum.
I got gum.
Eggplant.
Okay. Oh, I found a
And corn.
pumpkin.
And
I found a
Here,
mushroom.
bud. See?
a radish.
There's your money.
Right.
And your change is in that zipper pocket.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Peas. What's that? Onion.
Yeah.
Onion.
Onion.
Can I play my yo-yo?
Of course, honey.
Yay. Oopsie daisy.
Audra, come here. You want to open your stocking?
Okay. Can I help her open her stocking?
I think.
She got
Hey,
candy
kiddo, why don't you finish yours first?
Yeah, I think you have more stuff in
You
there.
got more.
Audra, what's this?
She got toy car.
Ew, it's a truck.
And I got chocolate.
Oh my goodness.
I got chocolate. I got more chocolate. Can I eat the candy, please?
Go for it.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's Christmas.
I can't wait to eat the chocolate. Chocolate's so yummy. Look at it, I dropped it.
Thank you.
I'll put put things in the garbage.
Oh, baby. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Onion.
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 Apple.
And corn.
Corn. What's this like this?
Audra.
Oh, what'd Mommy get for you? Look.
A slipper.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Audra, look at that.
She has to do a very important job right now.
Yeah, clearly.
What's
Stop.
Gonna hit that one out of the park.
Thank
Dig
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Audra.
Kiddo, what else have you gotten?
Slippers.
Effort. I wonder. I know where yogurt is. He's on the floor.
What? Yogurt's on the floor?
What's there?
Oh my goodness.
But he's holding something.
He's holding something.
Why don't you ask Mommy to read that? It looks like a letter.
Thank you, yogurt.
Well, go with Mommy.
Dear Clay, it's Christmas Eve and the time has come for me to go back up to the North Pole to help Santa pack the sleigh. I'm happy to say I won't be coming back next year because you have proven that you are a good boy through and through. You make mistakes sometimes, but I have confidence that you don't mean to and that you're sorry whenever it happens. So you don't need me to watch over you during the Christmas season anymore.
Yay! I'm a good boy.
I heard you tell your mommy that you wished you had an elf you could touch and play with. So I'm leaving you this doll that looks exactly like me. You can touch him all you want and he will stay with you all year.
Huh?
So if you ever miss me, you can play with the elf doll and then you won't miss me so much.
Is it yogurt?
No, it's a doll that looks just like Yogurt.
Yogurt gave you a doll that looks just like him.
Like it?
Yeah. Watch out for the coffee
I
behind you,
would be
son.
honored if you would call this doll the name you gave me, Yogurt, as I've grown rather attached to it over the past couple of years. Have fun, be good, and always listen to your mommy and daddy. Love, Yogurt.
Oopsie daisy, my yogurt fell over.
He did. You can go pick him up though.
Why?
Because it's a doll.
Yeah.
I can touch him wherever I want.
Yeah. Go ahead and pick him up.
Salt.
Oh my goodness.
I can touch yogurt wherever I want to.
That's right.
You're such a good boy that you don't he doesn't need to watch you anymore, so he left you a doll. So you can play with it and hold it and touch it at any time you miss him. And you can just pull out your doll. Hi, baby.
How exciting.
Yeah! Yogurt, a doll!
Yeah.
I'm gonna name him Yogurt.
Oh, there you go. That's what he wanted, so there it is. Okay, kiddos.
Thank you. Soup.
Wow, it looks like you guys got a lot of stuff.
Oh, I got more. I got more chocolate. I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat more chocolate. More chocolate is so yummy.
Ooh, look, Audra.
Ah, what's that?
Car. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, baby.
Cake.
Yeah, are you gonna cook?
Cook.
Yummy, that looks like a good soup.
Yum.
No.
Yum.
Ooh, I got more. More chocolate.
Alright, go easy on the chocolate there, kiddo.
Apple.
Okay, keep going, kiddo.
It's a mouse.
Bee.
It's a mousey.
What else is in your stocking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Santa is really good at filling stockings. Look at how much stuff there is.
Two chocolates. I got two chocolates. I got two chocolates.
Santa is so much nicer about chocolate than Mommy and Daddy are, huh?
Chicken.
You're welcome, baby. Oh,
Santa sugar.
what does Mommy have?
More chocolate. I get lots of chocolate. Chicken.
You're welcome.
Huh? Chicken.
You're welcome. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna pull this out.
Okay, let's make a stack right there.
Corn chocolate.
Coin chocolate.
goodness.
Wow.
I love corn chocolate. More chocolate. Cake.
Cook.
Cake. More chocolate.
Thank you.
I'm getting lots of chocolate.
Yes, you are.
Oh, I feel something. It's heavy. It's an orange.
Oh my goodness.
Santa brought me an orange to eat. Happy.
Yum.
I'm going to put it up there with the
You're such a sweetheart.
I feel something.
Here you go, baby. Here's
I
one
got
more onion.
chocolate. Take it.
You're welcome.
Oh, Audrey got an orange too.
Oh, look at
Put it in the
that.
basket.
Oh, yes. Yes. She got an orange too.
All right.
Mm.
Okay, kiddo, what do you think? Do you want to keep opening? That's all the Santa stuff, but I think there's some presents under the tree that are for you. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Rim, 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 rim.
Hey, kiddo, wait, before you do that, go look outside and go look at the reindeer food.
Thank you. They're gone.
Did they eat it? Wow.
Mom, and I got all sorts of new presents.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, yogurt. Wait, I can touch yogurt wherever I want to.
Yeah?
But, Mommy,
What did
I know this is not the real yogurt. I know this is yogurt. I can touch his eye or his cheeks or his hair wherever I want to.
Thank you.
I can touch his whole body.
Yeah.
And I can pretend I live somewhere. Just like the yogurt that I saw in my house. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Franklin.
Present time.
This one is for you.
Thank you.
It's from Audra.
Audra got you that present.
Audra.
That's a jump rope.
Audra, this is for you.
This is for you. It's from Daddy. Do you want to give her your present? The one you got at Kitty?
Yes.
Where is it?
I don't know.
I think it's over on the left-hand side,
This side?
and it's going to be kind of a funny-looking little package.
That's for you, Mommy.
Oh, that's for me.
I think that's it.
I think that's it for Audra.
Okay, let's
go, baby.
let's look at the label real quick.
Yeah, it says, oh yeah.
Oh, did you do that, kiddo? Look at your handwriting. Okay, go give that to Audra and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Audra. Kill him.
Mommy will help. Okay, kiddo, come open yours from Audra.
Open up your present.
I wonder what it is. Oh, I have to pull harder. Ah, got it. Pull more. I need to pull more. And more.
Audra's a pretty good rapper, huh?
Oh my! It's an
You know who that is?
No.
That's Bumblebee.
It's Bumblebee! I got Bumblebee!
You got Bumblebee.
What do you say to Audra?
Thank you, Audra. Thank you.
All right, Audra's turn. You want to open a present?
Okay.
Okay.
Audra, you can open your present now.
Bless you.
And you can open
Present. Rip the paper. Open it up.
I can help. Oh, it's
Oh my
itchy.
God.
I'll pull it up for a second. Audra will pull it up.
She got
Thank you.
it.
Aww.
She said thank you.
Welcome, Audra.
Good job, baby girl.
Can we open it?
Well, I got a lot of presents. Daddy will help everybody open up the individual presents, but let's keep going through them. You guys have a lot of stuff to go through.
Daddy?
Okay, kiddo, yours looks like I think the green ones.
Hi. You mean this one?
Yeah.
It is good. Let me open it. I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited to see it.
Wait, who's that from?
I don't know.
What's the tag say?
Can you read it?
It says
To Clay from.
to play from Daddy.
Oh, good job.
It's from you, Daddy. It's from you.
Yeah.
Let me open it. Oh, a little bit. Oh! Let me open it all. Huh? It's Ninjago game!
Yay!
It's a Ninjago game.
It sure is.
You know what it's for?
No.
It's for your DS.
DS! Woohoo! But where is my DS?
I think it's under there.
Yeah, we'll get it out in a little bit. Okay.
Okay. There's Lord Gundam and Cole and Jay and Dave and Kai.
Yeah.
And there's Sensei Blue and the skeleton guy.
Nicely done.
He's the boss.
All
All
right.
right, Audra's turn. To Audra from Daddy.
Daddy.
That's right. You want to open it?
Okay.
Okay.
I do not. I will sleep with yogurt today.
Okay, kiddo.
I can help her open it, Mike. I can help her.
I think she got it, Kitty.
Okay.
Got it.
It's full. It's just a box.
Yeah.
What's in the box? Can you open it? Full. It's full. She got a frog. She got a frog toy.
It's a frog bank.
A frog thing.
Yeah.
She got a piggy bank. She got a frog thing. Woohoo, Audra! Way to go! Way to go, Audra!
All right, kiddo, go ahead and get your next one.
My next one for me.
Who's it from?
To play for Mommy. Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby. I hope you like it.
I wonder what you brought me. Is it tiny? Huh? It's Lego Harry Potter. It's for my DS too.
Yeah.
You got 2 Lego DS games?
Yeah.
Oh, how cool.
This is so fun.
Thank you.
Then look at that. That guy scared that cat.
Yeah.
Baby.
Baby.
That looks like a baby yogurt, but it's yogurt.
Yeah. His name is Yogurt. Just like our elf.
Okay, kiddo.
What?
I think Audra's got it's Audra's turn.
Yep. That's what it is.
Yep. That's a one-hand package. I'll pull the bow off for her.
Okay, go ahead. Pull the bow off.
It's two other frog.
Frog.
That's right. This is from Mommy.
Frog.
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 Dog.
My
Hey, you
uncle.
have another present. You want to open it?
Okay.
And stay away from the coffee.
Coffee. Thank you.
Thank you.
Huh, it's just another box. I'll help her.
Okay.
Wait for it. There. No. There. Hey,
Oh my goodness.
what's inside here? Wow, it's a big bag. Oh, it's a baby doll. Look at her, Audra. Baby. Do you see the baby? Who is it?
Audra,
Baby.
that's for you.
Hey,
Her name is Elodie.
Elodie? Wow. I never heard that name before in our house. Daddy, can you Santa chocolate now, please?
Still got some presents, kiddo.
Chocolate, yay! Chocolate, 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 chocolate.
Soup.
Okay, kiddo, go find another one with this wrapping.
Thank you.
Why don't you look over on this side? But watch out for the coffee.
Watch out for the coffee. I found one. It's under here.
Okay, I think this is your last chocolate, okay? Okay.
Do you need to go potty, honey?
Needs to eat his chocolate.
Look.
Look. The baby.
Baby.
Oh, baby.
Elodie.
Auntie.
Elodie.
Like Melody, but with no M.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you want to go give the baby a hug?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Give baby soup?
See.
Go give baby soup. Or mommy. Okay, kiddo. Go ahead and open your present.
Okay. It's from chocolate from Mommy and Daddy. Huh.
Hi, baby.
Daddy.
Thank you.
too.
Look at them.
And there's you asked for
Yeah.
a sleigh and a reindeer and a
Yeah.
Christmas tree, and that does all of these things.
Can we play with them?
Of course.
Yay. Woohoo. Go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas Day.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Say Merry Christmas.
Oh, that
Yeah.
chocolate was,
Merry Christmas,
was
sweetie.
so yummy.
All right. Video's going off.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep.